Now that you're familiar with patterns for offline caching, it's time to implement one. Our app will show a list of DevByte videos which come from the server. We've created a server for you, and the starter app will use Retrofit to fetch that list. You've already learned how to use Room, and as a review, here's the features you'll need to build an offline cache. DevByte videos will be represented by a database video entity. They have a primary key of the video URL. The server design ensures that the video URL will always be unique. Then, for the DAO, or Data Access Object, you'll need two methods. The first is getVideos. GetVideos returns a list of videos. Taking a look at the UI, this is all we need to display the home screen. A list of all the videos in the database. To implement this in Room, you'll use the query annotation with select all from database video. The other thing your cache needs is a way to save values into the database. When new data comes in from the network, you'll call this to save them in the cache. We use insert all because we want to insert all new or changed videos in one call. When you call insert all, by default, it throws an exception if there's already an entity with the same primary key in the database. To solve this problem, we'll specify a conflict strategy. A conflict strategy tells the database what to do when it experiences a conflict. That is, when you try to insert the same primary key that's already in the database. When saving data from the network in an offline cache, we often just want to overwrite anything that used to be in the database, since the new network result is more up to date. The replace strategy does exactly this. Whenever there is a conflict, the old content is replaced with new values. This type of insert is called an upsert, a combination of update and insert. You may hear this called upsert or on-conflict update by some developers. That's really all there is to a cache. A way to save data and a way to load it. In the next few sections, you'll have a chance to practice with Room again and implement your own offline cache.